List building is the process by which you use targeted traffic to gain access to your email list, which you then use to promote products and services. It is the process by which you use this email list to convert more visitors into paying customers. This video will teach you how to build a massive email list from scratch using list building services and make profits on demand. List building can be described in terms of the relationship between a subscriber and the content provider. It means each action is targeted toward gaining new subscribers for your email list as an exchange of value. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about list building techniques that work. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. On a larger scale, consider the listing building as an investment in your business. If you really want website traffic to give you access to massive email addresses, you need to provide them something of value that makes it worth their while. This is where the value of content marketing comes into play. You have probably heard the term email marketing 100 times before. What you might not know is how valuable the medium truly is. Content marketing can work wonders when used correctly, and if you are able to start building an email list at a rapid pace, it is very easy to see how this can translate into profits for you. This article will explain how to start building an email list from scratch using these simple methods. Finding the best products to promote. Another one of the best ways to start building an email list is to find the best products out there. This may sound simple and obvious. However, many marketers fail to do so. The reason is simple: they do not realize how hard it is to find good products to promote. It's best that you invest some of your time doing research, instead of having a random search on Google or Yahoo. Go to social events, know people who will be interested in what you have to offer. For instance, you can build a list by attending webinars. Webinars are a great way to show your expertise. You can also invite your friends over to your website and host a webinar. A webinar is a great way to introduce new ideas, products, or services to your audience. The key to successful webinars is making sure that you do not spend too much time explaining everything. Instead, you should provide some examples or show how the product or service can solve a problem for your audience. Set up a one-click opt-in process is where you provide your email address with an email that contains information about yourself. When a visitor clicks the link in the email, your information will become accessible. Your confirmation email will be sent to your email address. Visitors must confirm their registration before the program can proceed. If visitors do not confirm their registration, they are considered incomplete and you will receive a ban from using that email address. Use email marketing as part of your online advertising. A good way to promote your business is to use email marketing as part of your online advertising strategy. Email marketing has been proven to be one of the most effective ways to market your business online. With the right list building tools and strategies, your emails can help you reach a broad audience. There are some internet marketers that generate over 50% more sales than they do advertisements. Have a website